Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools. This method is perfect for horror and spooky stories. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create your YouTube channel. 1. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Gmail account. If you don't have one, create it first. 2. Navigate to YouTube settings, click on Add or Manage Channels, and then create a channel. 3. Use ChatGPT to generate channel name ideas. Prompt: provide 20 YouTube channel name ideas for scary stories, each under 15 words. Select a name, checkmark it, and click Create. Step 2. Design your channel logo. 1. Use Leonardo AI to create a logo. Set the aspect ratio to 1:1. 2. Enter the prompt, a scary story YouTube channel logo. 3. Choose a logo you like, download it, and upload it to your YouTube channel. Step 3. Design your channel banner. 1. Use Leonardo AI to create a banner with a 16:9 aspect ratio. 2. Enter the prompt, a scary story YouTube channel banner. 3. Download the banner and use Canva to fit it into a YouTube banner template. Upload the final image to your channel. Step 4. Create your story script. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate a script. For example, write a 1,000-word creepy horror story about a haunted forest and missing hikers. 2. Now ask ChatGPT to provide suggestions for each scene in your story. For example, you can prompt, I want to generate AI images for various scenes in this story. Can you provide hints for each scene? Step 5. Generate AI voiceover. 1. Use 11 Labs for realistic AI voiceovers. Sign up and select a suitable voice for your story. 2. Copy the script into 11 Labs, generate the voiceover, and download it. Step 6. Create visual elements. 1. Use Leonardo AI to generate images for each scene in your story. Enter specific prompts for each scene. 2. After generating the images, use Leonardo AI's Generate Motion Video feature to create videos from these images. 3. Download all generated videos as MP4 files. Step 7. Edit your video. 1. Use video editing software like Premiere Pro or CapCut. 2. Import all video clips and the voiceover. Align the visuals with the narration. 3. Add copyright-free horror background music. Adjust the volume to ensure the voiceover is clear. 4. Export the final video. Step 8. Create a thumbnail. 1. Use Canva to create an eye-catching thumbnail. Insert an image and add red text with a spooky font. 2. Download and upload the thumbnail to your YouTube video. Step 9. Upload and optimize your video. 1. Upload your video and thumbnail to YouTube. 2. Use ChatGPT to generate an engaging title, description, and tags. Copy and paste these into your video settings. That's it. You now know how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Consistency and dedication are key to achieving success. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Happy creating!